we are pulling out of Barker's Bay. And
weather's finally nice.
Fantastic, beautiful day. There is Barker's Bay. Now that's my rod. But I mean the background is Barker's Bay. Somebody uses this camera that's got an awful small hand. So when I come to want to zoom in on something, I can't get my hand through the strap. But this is Barker's Bay. You talk about a nice day. Don't mind me, I just moved to my seat, so that's what happened. Charter service.
No, that's fine.
You got that same thing right there, that noise?
Yep.
Your radio?
Yep, once in a
I
while.
wonder what that is.
I don't know. Whoop, that was Ellie's hair I got.
For Friday, a high in the low 70s. Today at 7:59 p.m. Now 6:24
Oh, do I
a.m.
turn the camera off when you're not doing that? Alright, now we are approaching the entrance of the harbor. There's a lighthouse. And of course I gotta move a little bit, but there's the lighthouse we're gonna be going by in a couple seconds. And we'll be heading out into the wide open waters of Lake Superior.
Right out there.
And there's a cool breeze coming as I can feel. Just like it's going to be a fantastic day.